Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morg. I love all things fashion, beauty, and luxury. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on an upload, period. Hey baddies, so today we're doing an unboxing. I recently got the new pink 10th generation Apple iPad, and I want to unbox it with you guys. In the beginning, I'm going to be showing you guys me unboxing the iPad and my new Apple Pen, and I won't be showing my face, and then we're going to jump into it, set up some apps, and set up our Apple Pen. I just want to start by saying this is not a tech channel, and I am not a tech guru, so don't come for me. But if you guys want to know more details about the iPad, then keep on watching. Unbox the iPad and the Apple Pen. So this is what the home screen looks like once you first unbox it. So now I want to set up my Apple Pen. This is my Apple Pen, and when you have the 10th generation iPad, you have to get the first generation Apple Pen, not the second. So we're going to go ahead and set this up, and yeah. And I got 256 gigabytes in case you guys didn't see that. And then this is the first generation Apple Pen. So we're going to take the cap off. This is the little cap. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then you see you have like a little UPS ports. We're going to try to connect the Apple Pen. Get these two adapters with your Apple Pen, and we're going to use one. And we're going to try to use the cord. You do need a USB-C cord, but we're going to see if we can use the cord that came with the Apple Pen, because I'm pretty sure this is a USB-C, and we're just using an adapter. But now we're taking the Apple Pen with the cord, and we're going to connect it to the iPad and see if that works. Okay. So let's download some apps. So we're gonna go to the App Store. I'm just using my Apple Pen. Just to-do list. Oh my God, y'all, I'm obsessed with this thing already. So now I wanna see what the camera is like on here. So let's get into it. Let's just do a video. Okay guys, so this is what I look like on the iPad. I look a little beat if you ask me, honey. This is giving HD, this is giving up close and personal. Personally, I think the camera on here is amazing. This is the film that you're seeing right here. So this is the front camera. Let's go ahead and do the back camera. Okay guys, so I can't really see, but this is me filming on my iPad, period. I love it so far, and then I'm gonna film this way. I really need to get a case and get my screen protector. So this is me, and I'm gonna also insert a photo of like how it looks on the iPad. Oh. And maybe I should do a photo on the back camera as well, right? Can I flip it? Yeah. I don't know how to, can I set a timer? Let's do a timer. Okay, y'all. So hopefully, okay, I mean, I look cute. I still look cute. The actual camera for the iPad is on the side instead of at the top. But honestly, I think the camera quality on this is very, very good. I have the cellular one like me, you can FaceTime. So I'm about to see if I can FaceTime real quick. Obviously, you can text. You can use your iPad to send a message. And then I'm just literally gonna type, hey. And it's gonna send hey, and then I can just send it. So I love that aspect of it. Okay, I don't know, but this is FaceTime. Overall, I'm very happy with this iPad. This is not actually like a review. This was just me. Okay, so she's okay guys, so this is what FaceTime looks like. It takes up your whole screen. The quality on FaceTime here is so much better than your iPhone. Like, I can see myself clearly, and I just FaceTime my mom and it's dark, but the picture looks so much clearer than it does on my phone. So I would say, huh? Yeah, I would say that the iPad quality is so much better than the iPhone quality. Don't this look clearer then? Like compared to when you called me on my phone? Yeah. So I highly recommend, like, the camera quality on this is amazing. I think if you're a student or a small business owner, this would definitely be the perfect gadget to have. I downloaded Notion, and I'm gonna start adding some stuff to that. I added a to-do list. Hello? There we go. Anyway, I can't wait to actually set up my iPad. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. My camera is dying. I just wanted to unbox this iPad with you guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. See you in the next one.